Learn salsa dancing for beginners in 30 days. No partner needed. Today we will learn the reverse swap. This is a great way to use a half turn to change places. We will also combine it with a swap, making it a double swap, which is a very common combination on the dance floor. We will start with going to the front, stepping in place, side, then stepping to the back, forward and rotate to the left, then back on the line on 1. Are you ready? Yeah, day 23. 10 to your right and let's start. 1 basic. 1, 2, 3. And let's do the reverse swap, starting to the front. Front, in place, side, back, forward and rotate to the left. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Reverse swap, starting to the front. Front, in place, side, back, forwards, rotate to the left. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Doing great. You can smile. Let's do it again. Reverse swap, starting to the front. Front, in place, side, back, forwards, rotate. Full speed. Basic. 1. Let's go. Reverse swap. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. Let's do it again. Reverse swap, starting to the front. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. Once more. Reverse swap. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. Another basic. And let's do it slow again. 1 basic. Let's go. Practice makes progress. 1, 2, 3. And let's go. Reverse swap, starting to the front. Let's go. Front, in place, side, back, forwards and rotate to the left. Basic. 1, 2, 3. And let's go again. Reverse swap, starting to the front. Let's go. Front, in place, side, back, forwards, rotate to the left. Basic. You're doing great. Yes, you can smile. And let's do it again. Reverse swap, starting to the front. Front, in place, side, back, forwards, rotate, and full speed. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Reverse swap. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. Let's go again. Reverse swap. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. And one more, let's go. Reverse swap. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. And now we'll do the double swap, starting with the swap and ending with the reverse swap. Turn around and 1 basic slow. And let's do the swap and the reverse swap. Go. 5, 6, anchor, swap. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, forwards and rotate to the left. Basic. So let's do it again. Swap and a reverse swap. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor. Now swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Now the reverse swap. Cross to the back, forwards and rotate to the left. Basic. Last time slow. Are you ready? Let's go. Swap. 5, 6, anchor. Now swap. Back, cross to the front, open, now reverse swap. Cross to the back, forwards and full speed, 1 basic. And let's go, swap and reverse swap. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. Swap and reverse swap. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. Swap and reverse swap. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. And I will do it again. Yes, practice makes progress. 1 basic slow. And let's do the double swap. A swap and a reverse swap. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor. Now the swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Now the reverse swap. cross to the back, forwards, and rotate to the left. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. The double swap. 5, 6, anchor. Now the swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Now the reverse swap. Cross to the back, forwards, and rotate to the left. Basic. You're doing great. You can relax your shoulders. And let's do the double swap. 5, 6, anchor. Now the swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Now the reverse swap. Cross to the back, forwards, rotate, and full speed. Basic. 1, let's go. Double swap. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open. Back, forwards, rotate. Basic. Again, double swap. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open. Back, forwards, rotate. Basic. And double swap. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open. Back, forwards, rotate. Basic. And turn around. 1 basic slow. And let's do the reverse swap. Starting to the front. With no basic. Let's go. Starting to the front. Front, in place, side, back, forwards, and rotate to the left. No basic. Front, in place, side, back, forwards, and rotate to the left. No basic. Front, in place, side, back, forwards, rotate. Full speed, 1 basic. And reverse swap without the basic. Let's go. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. No basic. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. Again. Front, side, back, forwards, rotate. And a basic. Now turn around. And let's do the double swap with just 1 basic. Let's go. And let's do the double swap. A swap and a reverse swap. 5, 6, anchor. Now the swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Now the reverse swap. Cross to the back, forwards, and rotate to the left. No basic. Back, cross to the front, open. Now the reverse swap. Cross to the back, forwards, and rotate to the left. No basic. Back, cross to the front, open. Cross to the back, forwards, rotate, and full speed. 1 basic. And 3 double swaps. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, and double swap again. Now, back, open, and double swap. Back, open, back, forwards, rotate. Basic. And thank you very much for joining me. And don't miss the muscle tape at the end. Ready for day 24? Click here or check the description. And if you're not sure yet, remember that repetition is the mother of skill. So feel free to repeat day 23 again. The more you practice, the better you get. And if you found this video helpful, please scroll down and type the words "more practice" in the comments below. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. And today's muscle tip: every time you do the reverse swap, twist your shoulders to the right on 5. It will help you to rotate.